Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment method was declined on App Store in iPhone or iPad. If you are using iPhone or iPad and your payment method was declined on your App Store, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, and then you have to go for settings. Go for general, go for VPN and device management. You have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. Then go for software update, and you have to try to update your software because sometimes software updates might issues, so you must have to update your software. And then you have to go back and then go for the screen time settings, go for content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. Once you have disabled all the restrictions, you have to retry to open your Apple's App Store, and then you have to retry. Or if you're still having the same issue, so what you have to do, you have to go for settings again, go for general again, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and you'll get a confirmation message pop up. You have to select the reset network setting from the pop-up message, and once you have done all of your network setting will be reset. So it might be if there will be any issue of your network settings, it will be reset in this step, and after that you will not get the issue. Or if you are still having the same issues, so now what you have to do, you have to open the support app on your phone, or you can use your browser. You have to simply search for support.apple.com, or you can search for Apple Support. You will get this website. You have to select your device. It might be iPhone, iPad, or any other iOS device. So once you have selected, just scroll down and look for the option of Get Support. Select Start Now from here, and then just select Subscriptions and Purchases. And here you just have to scroll down, and you just have to look for any option which is relating to our the question or the issue. So here you can see this update payment method. Here the unable to purchase, so you just have to select this option, then select continue, and here you will get different options, but I'm going to select get more help from here. Then select call us, and here you'll get a contact number for official support team of your Apple ID. So now you just have to dial the phone number whenever you want to talk, and then you have to discuss about your issue with the Apple support team member, and you will get official help from there. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're having the issue that your payment method has been declined on your App Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.